excuse me. Excuse me. Dito ba yung section E?
Not here. Go back to the main building.
Sabi kasi nung...
Are you deaf? Leave!
Higher Value International School. Mula sa araw na to, dito na ako mag-aaral. Kaya mo yan, JJ. Wow! Mukhang mayayaman lahat ng tao dito, ah.
Excuse me po. Saan po ito?
Section E?
Ew. Ano naman kung section E ako? Wala naman siguro masama maging section.
Siya ang bagong classmate ninyo. Let's welcome her. Have a seat. Welcome to Section E. Mr. President, wala ka bang question sa bagong transferee natin?
Are you still a virgin?
Ikaw, kailan ka mawawala sa mundo?
Bakit di ka mauna?
Because I'm the one who's gonna make you disappear from this world. Kuya, may alam ka ba tungkol sa section E?
Wala naman talagang section E nun. Nagkakaroon lang pag may mga students na nagkakaroon ng kaso. Mga pasaway.
3, 2, 1!
JJ, huh? She's getting on my nerves. She needs to drop out or transfer. I don't care. I want her out.
Let's see if you can catch this! This is off limits.
Ano meron dyan? May tinatago ka, no?
Either you shut up, or I'll make you shut up.
You look like husband and wife! Yan sa ganyan.
Aray! Pag ako naging Voldemort dito, alam mo dapat...
Once, yeah.
One, two, three, go.